Hello, it's me Jeevan Puri. In this demonstration, I will present the machine learning model developed to predict whether a patient is likely to experience a stroke using a healthcare dataset. And this is my dataset, stroke prediction dataset. The dataset used in the project is the stroke prediction dataset from Kaggle. In contents, there is a ID, gender. Some of important features include age, gender, hypertension or disease, BMI, smoking status, and average level. These variables help the machine learning model understand the health condition of the patient. And this dataset have 5110 uh, column and 12 row. Each row represent an individual patient and each column represent a feature related to patient health condition or background. This dataset is useful for developing machine learning model that can predict whether a patient is at risk of stroke based on their health characteristics. And after obtaining the dataset, the next step was data preprocessing, which include data cleaning, feature encoding, feature scaling, and splitting the dataset into training and training set. In this project, I used Google Colab to implement the machine learning model for stroke prediction. The data set used in this project is the stroke prediction dataset obtained from Kaggle. Firstly, the dataset was loaded using the Pandas library. The dataset contains patient health information which will be used to train machine learning models. And the dataset contains 5110 rows and 12 columns. Each row represents a patient record. The feature includes gender, age, hypertension or disease, work type, resident type, FS level, BMI, and smoking status. The target variable is stroke, where 1 indicate and 0 indicate no stroke. And this is so dataset summary, where ID, gender, age, hypertension or digits, and many more. And this remove ID and drop missing. Original class distribution is stroke 0 1. And this is feature engineering, add age group. And this down sample to balance, where yeah, I use feature scaling, train random forest with ton hypermeters, and then random forest like max tip 25, estimate 1000, and jobs minus 1, random is 42. And this feature importance is like this, and this predict probabilities and precision recall curve and f1 threshold optimization. Best threshold for maximum f1 score is 0.42, and this is adjust predictions. And I used random forest models, and where the accuracy score is 90.85. actual stroke distribution pie chart is 50-50, and actual stroke distribution bars are 63, no stroke line chart. And this is underfitting versus overfitting. Train accuracy, test accuracy. And multiple classification algorithms, including random forest, heuristic regression, and k nearest neighbor, were implemented and evaluated using performance metrics such as accuracy, friction, and recall. Based on the evaluation result, the random forest model performed the best for this dataset because it provided higher accuracy and handled the data patterns efficiently. Therefore, random forest is recommended as the most suitable model for predicting stroke risk in this dataset. So this prediction is identify improving prenatal healthcare decision.